Welcome to my watercolor painting channel. Today we are going to paint a simple landscape. This is the basic sketch needed for this painting. First, let us start by painting the sky. I initially wet the paper. Don't apply too much of water. I will show you what happens when too much of water is applied on the paper. I'm mixing cobalt blue with a little violet to paint the sky. We are going to paint the sky. When I apply the paint, what happens is the paint pulls down and it forms a rain-like effect. This is because of too much of water applied while wetting the paper. We need not to be worried about this because we can fix it by lifting the colors which are pushed outside the area. Next, we are going to paint the grassland using raw umber and lemon yellow. First, we are going to paint the sun-lit areas. So, these areas will be very greenish. For that, I am using more lemon yellow and very less raw umber. Next, we are going to paint the shadow part of the grassland. For that, we are going to use little more raw umber with the lemon yellow. In this particular area, I added more Prussian blue to the mix of raw umber and lemon yellow because that area is going to have a lot of trees. So the shadow is very dark. I'm adding slanting strokes because this area is a slope. Next, I'm going to add the shadow of the trees. You may wonder there are no trees, but we are going to add it at the end. First, I'm adding the shadows of the trees. Okay. While adding the shadow on the slope, we have to consider one important thing. The shadow of the tree on the slope will not be same as the shadow of the tree in a plain landform. That is, the shadow on the slope should be slanting. That is the shape of the slope, that it takes the shape of the slope. After adding all the shadows, I'm painting the trees. So according to the shadow, I'm adding the trees. Actually, painting the trees is the easiest thing, so I just quicken this portion. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more watercolor painting videos. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.